India is a peerless abode of wonderful and exotic animals. The country harbors a charismatic mixture of wildlife species. There are more than 500 wildlife sanctuaries and 100 national parks, which give shelter to an enormous number of endangered and wild animals. The country is blessed with diverse and unique creatures, but due to harsh human interference, many animals are on the verge of extinction. Man's action determine the fate of these animals, but climate change also plays a major role in the decline of their existence as well. So let us begin with 7 most endangered species of India. Nilgiri Thar. Nilgiri Thar is found on the tropical rainforest of Western Ghats. It is also known as state animal of Tamil Nadu. With only 5,000 species left, they are getting endangered. Due to continuous poaching activities and eucalyptus cultivation is hampering its habitat, the Nilgiri Thar population is continuously decreasing. One-horned rhinoceros. One-horned rhinoceros is found in India, Nepal, and in the foothills of Himalayas. With only 5,000 species left in India, they are on the verge of extinction. It is listed as endangered species by International Union for Conservation of Nature. Poaching of horns is the main reason for decline in their numbers. Bengal tiger or white tiger. It is national animal of two major countries, India and Bangladesh. Bengal tiger or white tiger are easily found in jungles of West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Rajasthan, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. They are threatened due to poaching and loss and fragmentation of habitat. Therefore, only 2,226 tigers are left in India. Asiatic lion. Asiatic lion or Indian lion is one of the 5 big cat species found in India. A single population exists in Gir Forest, the National Park of Gujarat state. There are only 200 species of them left in India. It is due to hunting and human encroachment on its habitat. Black buck. also known as Indian antelope, is the fastest running animal in India. Black bugs are found in plains and grasslands of India. With a very few left in India, they are getting endangered. The main reason is poaching. Lion-tailed macaw. The lion-tailed macaw, or also known as wanderu, is world-old monkey. They are found in Western Ghats in southwest of India. They are getting endangered due to habitat loss and frequently killed for medical use. There are only 2,900 species left in India. Snow leopard. Snow leopard lives in the mountainous regions. In India, their geographical range encompasses a large part of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. Every year, 21 to 45 species of snow leopards are poached. Due to continuous poaching and illegal trade of skins and parts of it, it's getting endangered at a very high speed. Seeing the current scenario of their hunting and poaching, we will be just left with their pictures to show to our future generation. So, let's stand together for them because everyone has right to live as you and me. So let's do our bit and save animals because extinction is forever. Endangered means we still have time. Thank you.